Hey guys, it's Nicole, and today I'm going to be showing you guys my slime collection. So let's just get started. So my first slime that I've ever made is this purple slime. Oh yeah, and they're in these look, they're in these really cute little containers. So yeah, that's really cute. So this is the first slime I've ever made. Super pretty. Sorry. Super pretty. Nice. Super stretchy. And I only have a little bit of them because I don't make big batches, so yeah. Okay, so let's put this slime back. Close the lid. And it's ready now we're ready for the next slime. So the next slime that I've ever made is this pink slime. It's really, really pretty, I think. I mean, it's not that slimy, but it's really nice. So really like it, and it's super stretchy as well. So let's just put that on back in the container. Move on to the next one. The next slime that I've ever made was this green one. And these are all neon kind of colors, so this one is not as stretchy. I need to just add more lotion. But yeah, so all you need is to add lotion. And if you're using borax, you need to wash your hands thoroughly. And I use borax, so you need to wash your hands 4 times with soap. So yeah. Ugh, some of these lids never want to come on. Okay, there. And on to the next slime. So the next slime that I ever made, the 4th slime that I've ever made, was this slime. This one's really nice. Super stretchy as well. And it's really big. It's bigger than the other ones. So. Okay. So let's just close that one and move on to the next one. This one is almost my favorite one. I love this one. Sorry guys, I just need to get it off of the container. It's so kind of sticky. But yeah. So this is this slime. I love it so much. It's super, super nice. And I love the sound of it. And it smells really good as well. So yeah, that's just that slime. And I just keep it in that container like the other ones. So yeah. Okay, and wait. Now let's close the container. And this is the slime that I made yesterday. It's kind of sticky, kind of not. You need to play with it. But here it is. Super stretchy. So yeah. This is the smallest batch ever. So, because I was just just making because I just wanted to make a little one and a white one because I've never had a white one before. So, Didn't add any color to it. So yeah, that's all for my slime collection. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and bye!